Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I'm going to go over the Bitcoin price action, because yesterday we did made a very strong prediction that Bitcoin was most likely going to see a continuation down since it was trading in this rising wedge formation. Of course, here since yesterday we clearly did came down here, since we did manage to fail to hold on towards the support line, and since of that point we saw a massive continuation down here. And on today's video I want to be explaining to you guys about what we're currently expecting and what the coming days ahead of ourselves are most likely going to look like. So if you're interested in that, do not forget to right away slap up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell notification. So yesterday we talked about this rising wedge formation. This rising wedge formation had, of course, this breakdown target towards the 45.6k here. So that was, of course, a pretty significant correction towards the downside that we did anticipated a 3.6% move here. From the current week, we were just approximately $180 away from our price target. What is, of course, approximately 0.4% here. So that was pretty close already towards this price target. And I do personally still think, yeah, we can reach the price target, but make sure to take your profits along the way down if you're shorting. Right now for Bitcoin, we're going to be really looking at our targets that I do want to be seeing holding up here is, of course, going to be this 45.6k level on the 1 hour candles. Another 1 hour candle close lower than the previous low of here is just going to be enabling a further continuation down, further bearish momentum. And of course, if we're not going to see it in this case, this could be meaning that we could be creating maybe a wider W, of course, since we came down to the rising wedge, we could be right now seeing an increasement, and we could be maybe forming a huge W structure here. So that's the thing that I would love to see here, or either playing out in the 1 hour, either on the 4 hour candle. So of course, in order to see that, we have to see a little bit of a continuation up here. And of course, W structure right now in the market where we're currently trading on could be very nice in the 4 hourly candles. So yeah, what I do want to be seeing here is this 4 hourly candle basically close a little bit higher than the previous low over here, because then we could be creating, of course, a higher low structure together with a horizontal neckline, and that could be resulting in, of course, a strong W formation going in towards the next week here, of course, in the market. So that's the thing for the bullish scenario to look at. You want to be seeing a further increase in valuation if you want to be expecting some higher targets to getting reached from at this point. You do not want to be seeing this 1 hour candle close below the 45.6k, because that's just going to be allowing the downtrend to continue further on here. Of course, the imminent short-term bearish trend is, in my opinion, over on the 1 hour candles, because yeah, momentum came down massively. Besides that, we're extremely close towards our price target of this rising wedge here. And right now, we could be maybe look at a new pattern, of course. If we're going to look at the market right now, it clearly looks like, yeah, we're forming a new downward sloping support line, downward sloping resistance line from the highs as well. And this could be, of course, lead towards as well some kind of a parallel channel that we're currently trading in. And that could be, once again, as well, spell as well the market is right now heading towards. Because, yeah, we have to be looking at a new pattern right now on this 1 hour candle. The Bitcoin on the 4 hourly candles is, of course, looking still very interesting. 4 hourly candles for Bitcoin, of course, still in this downward sloping momentum phase here. We're still losing the highs here. We're still taking lower highs, lower lows along the market. Have said it several times before, in the 4 hourly candles, you do want to be seeing this lower side of support holding us up here. As long as we're holding up the lower side of support, we're all good. As soon as Bitcoin is going to close and fail to hold on the 4 hour support over here, yeah, we're just going to look for very bearish price targets towards the downside. Of course, we do know we're right now still trading in falling wedge structure on the 4 hourly candles, and I've said yesterday that I do think that there's going to be a massive pump as soon as we're going to be breaking out here. So yeah, right now I'm still playing the long game, still taking it slow here. Personally, I do expect there could be, of course, a massive momentum shift coming towards us anytime soon here. So please do take this as well in your consideration. I personally think it's going to be extremely likely to be expecting a massive volatility surge from off this point. Either it's going to be first a big fake out towards the downside and then continue its way up, or of course the different way around, of course. So it's going to be a very interesting one, and of course for us right now to really determine, and for us to right now call to make a strong prediction, okay, what do we be expecting from the market right now? I will be extremely bullish. It's very simple. As soon as we do break the top side of resistance, I will be extremely bearish as soon as we break the lower side of support. And of course, if we fail to hold on towards the monthly support line above our head right now here, of course, the 45.2k is going to be crazy 4 hour, and of course it's monthly support, but on the 4 hour it will be, of course, providing a lot of support here. So the last thing that I want to be seeing right now in this market is a break below this 45.2k with, of course, a 4 hourly candle close. So please take your eyes on this level, and of course make sure to follow me on Twitter. If you are going to be following me on Twitter right now here at RoverCRC, you will be staying up to date with all the market developments, because we're going to tweet to you guys out there as soon as we see something interesting playing out. So do not forget to follow us as well a little bit on Twitter over there. And of course, if you do not want to be missing out on these trading opportunities as well, do not forget to check out BYBIT or bitfinex here in the link description. They will be offering you in $4,100 deposit bonus. Like you can see, the trade that we of course yesterday called here was a very strong one with the short position over there. Right now we're going to look at right there long positions as well for the 4-hour momentum. If we're going to quickly enable that, we can clearly once again see MACD, of course, first of all, is rising again, higher low getting formed after higher low, and price action keeps forming lower low. Of course, nothing converged yet here because the 4-hourly candle is not closed. As well for the RSI, higher low getting formed on the RSI, lower low in the price action, and as well for the money flow index. So we've got once again a triple bullish divergence on the momentum indicators on the 4-hourly candle. So personally, for me, this is most likely going to result in a bullish continuation up here. But like I said already several times before, what I will be thinking that's going to be absolutely lovely here is that the 4-hourly candle is still going to be managing to close on higher low, so we could be potentially going towards this W structure, what could be leading towards a massive continuation and a massive surge towards the upside. So guys, if you did enjoy the content, do not forget to slap up the like button. This was already it for today's video. As soon as I do see something important in the chart here, we'll be right away drop out another video, and later today I will be back home to drop a stream here. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.